Alright, hey there, what's going on? Alex with Redbeard Adventure back with another video, and today I am doing a little bit of an unboxing. A couple of these items will be used for future videos. That's these two, and then I started a subscription to Bespoke Post. It is a subscription site which I'll link to, just because it looked kind of interesting and I wanted to check out some of the things they had to offer, so we'll be unboxing that. But first, let's look at a few of these things that we have for future videos. So if you are not subscribed here yet, I would appreciate you subscribing. Thank you so much. This channel is dedicated to gear reviews and outdoor adventure, kind of whatever's trending in my brain at the moment when I decide to make a video. So I would appreciate you subscribing if you're into that kind of thing. We look at knives and we look at camping gear and we look at just kind of anything, cooking, whatever. So it's a lot of fun. I have a lot of fun. So yeah, I hope to see it in future videos. So this, if you've watched any of my most recent videos, you know that I am starting on a Spyderco journey. So these are 3 little Spyderco knives. I think this is the Bug. I don't know what the other ones are called because they're not labeled. So let's see. So the little Bug, and I'm not going to get into any detail right now because I am going to do a full video on all of these, but let's just take a look at them really quick. Well, the boxes are tight, that's for sure. A little bit bigger. And a little bit bigger. So these are all keychain knives. 3 different sizes. So we will get a closer look and a full review of those in an upcoming video, so please make sure you're subscribed and check that out. Alright, this next thing I'm super excited about. So for me, like pants, finding pants that like fit all my needs and are comfortable and everything is not the easiest. So these pants are from Vertex. They are 36, which means they are super tall. And what I was hoping, and I right off the bat think they will check those boxes, was hoping they would be tough enough to withstand everything that I do, but look good enough that I can wear in an office setting and have them not look like tactical pants and not look like jeans. So first look is good. I will wear these for a week or so and get a full review of these up for you guys. So a couple of things to look forward to. Oops, if I don't lose it all. A couple of things to look forward to there. Alright, now let's get into this. What do I do with my knife? There it is. Alright, so this subscription box service, forget where I was put onto it, but it does all sorts of different things from cooking to whiskey to grooming. There's some boxes for her. Makeup and different things if you wanted, but this is the first one that I'm getting, and this is the Frontier. Alright, get 10% off when you spend 50 with this coupon code. Valentine's Day is sooner than you think. Do yourself a favor and get a head start. Valentine's shop launches 1/15. Bespokepost.com. So there you go. So the Frontier. So I'll just kind of show you the packaging here. Okay, so I'm just going to pull everything out. So a couple of things. Here is a notebook, so a journal. Very cool. Little kind of canvas bag. Let's see. All right, this is kind of crazy. So I've been doing some research on felt tip pens and have been thinking about buying one but haven't, and this comes with a felt tip pen. That's kind of crazy. All right, here's the pen. Let's open that. So I've never used a felt tip pen at all. I don't think it's loaded. I think I got a load of cartridge in it. Yeah. This feels super cheap. Like a pretty cheap plastic pen, but interesting nonetheless. Alright, what is this? So I think this is just a bottle opener, but it's like a pretty heavy piece of metal, nothing you'd want to carry around in your pocket all day long. So probably just to sit on a shelf and for looks. And an Opnel knife. So this looks pretty sharp, but just a folding knife. This feels pretty cheap too. So I want to say this box was like 40 bucks. Not worth it. I'm gonna cancel this subscription, I think, because all this stuff seems pretty cheap and not something that I would use all the time. The notebook does look, actually though, kind of good. Let's open that and see. Yeah, good. I mean, the notebook seems pretty good quality. Let's not chop anything off with this. Put it away. I'm going to go ahead and open this felt tip pen and put a cartridge in it and see what it writes like. So, like I said, this is the first box I've gotten from these folks. Not impressed at all. I'm going to cancel just because everything feels cheap, and I could have probably gotten all this stuff for like 15 bucks and better quality if I'd have found it on my own. Alright, how does this work? I think that's it. Watch, I'm gonna get ink all over me. Alright, so it writes pretty good. So, writes alright. But not impressed with the pen, not impressed with the knife. The notebook is okay. I'll use that for sure. Bottle opener is cool, but every little thing comes with a bottle opener. This is not something you could put on your keys or anything. It's just a thing to sit there and sit there till you need it. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. I'm kind of disappointed because I was hoping this would be some kind of neat stuff and something I could get into and make a little bit of a series out of on a monthly basis, but cheap stuff, not gonna lie, not gonna give it a second chance. So hope you found this valuable. Not too exciting, but at least valuable. There's other boxes out there. I'm gonna check out a couple other boxes. We'll find something that that works and that's worth it for the money. So thanks for watching. Tune in next time. Make sure you like this video if you found it useful. Sorry it is not the happy ending we were all hoping for. So thanks for watching. Have a great night.